In this video, I'm going to share with you the exact affirmations that literally reprogrammed my subconscious mind to not only lose weight but make that weight loss journey much simpler, much easier, and happier. That's what we want, right? We want to manifest things effortlessly. We want to lose weight effortlessly, and we want to feel good about ourselves even before losing weight. And that is exactly what I got with these affirmations. If you stay with me till the end, you will not only learn these affirmations, but you will also learn to feel them, how to apply them, how to activate your inner magnetism so that you can finally break free out of those patterns that are keeping you stuck in one kind of reality, that is being fat and ugly and having it very difficult to lose weight, right? If you are tired of feeling trapped in your body, feeling same craving, same struggle of losing weight over and over again, then this video has the potential to change your life. Now, take a deep breath in, take notepad and pen, take notes, stay till the end, and let's unlock the sexier, healthier version of you that is already trapped inside, waiting to be unleashed. If you know me or if you have watched my videos, you already know that I have struggled with weight loss for so many years. Not just weight loss, having slow metabolism, having uncontrollable cravings, and having lower self-esteem, constantly feeling like I'm not good enough, not beautiful enough, and blah blah. All those things, you know what I mean, right? And after struggling for so many years and then studying and becoming nutritionist, I actually realized how to lose weight effortlessly based on science. But even after that, I was not able to lose weight permanently or effortlessly. I would still think that I have to follow strict diet if I want to maintain my weight loss, right? And that made me realize that I had to work on my mindset. My mindset was still stuck in the past. That's why it was manifesting the same patterns in my life again and again, right? And that's when I started with these affirmations. That's when I started working on my mindset, and that changed my body for life. Before I tell you those affirmations, I'll tell you why those are important. Why do you need to reprogram your subconscious mind? See, your subconscious mind stores some identity of you. So if you've been struggling with weight for many years, then that weight, that struggle, those uncontrollable cravings has become your identity. So it is stored in your subconscious mind. So whenever you see your favorite food, your subconscious mind would immediately go that you're not able to control that. You cannot control that. You cannot control eating food, right? Or it is, if you have this, if you have struggled with slow metabolism for many years, then it has stored in your subconscious mind, it has become your identity that I have slow metabolism. So whenever you eat something extra or whenever you don't follow diet, your subconscious mind immediately repeats that identity. Your inner voice immediately repeats that identity from your subconscious mind, that I have slow metabolism, and if I eat this or if I've eaten this much, I may gain weight now, or I will gain weight now, because it has become your identity. That's why I was not able to lose weight even though I was following a proper science based diet plan. Right? I was not able to keep my weight off permanently because my subconscious would still think that I would gain weight if I eat a little bit of extra food or if I sometimes binge eat, right? So that's why it becomes important to change that identity in your subconscious mind, to catch that inner voice saying those negative sentences and replace them with new identity. I'll tell you exactly how to do that so that you can change that identity much faster. Let's get started. Now, the first affirmation is my metabolic rate is improving day by day. See, many women, many people who struggle with weight loss most probably have slow metabolic rate or they have insulin resistance, and they have this strong identity in their subconscious that I have very slow metabolism. That's why I'm not able to lose weight. And even if that is not the reality, even if reason is something else, it will become your reality. It must have become your reality. You must have slowed down your metabolism even further because your mind keeps saying that, your inner thoughts, your subconscious keeps saying that I have slow metabolism, right? That's why it is time to replace that with new belief, the opposite belief, that my metabolic rate is improving day by day. See, if you immediately tell yourself that I have fast metabolism now, your subconscious is not going to believe that. You are not going to believe that, right? You'll be like, huh, I'm just reading this. That's it, right? You won't be able to feel that. But this sentence is much more believable that my metabolic rate is improving day by day, right? That is possible, right? And that's why first thing comes is it should be believable, slightly believable. Even though you're not able to believe it 100%, that is fine. And you don't just need to say these affirmations once or twice in a day. The timing is important, as in whenever throughout the day you're thinking about weight. I'm sure if your weight bothers you, if you're taking some action to lose weight, you will think of your metabolism multiple times in a day, right? And I'm very sure if it has become your identity in subconscious mind, your inner thought, your inner voice is going to repeat that I have slow metabolism, right? So you need to catch that inner voice. You need to catch yourself thinking in your own mind that I have slow metabolism, and immediately tell itself to stop. Tell yourself to stop, and then immediately say this. Replace this in your own head. Say this in your own head that no, that was the past, and now my metabolic rate is improving day by day, because your body is going to comply with whatever your mind says. If your mind says that I'm losing weight, it is going to lose weight. And the power of subconscious mind is, if you tell your subconscious mind that now I'm losing weight, my metabolic rate is improving day by day, it is going to make it happen. After certain period of time, you will find certain coaches that will help you to achieve just that. You will unlock certain diet plans, you will unlock those life tracks. You will literally manifest the easier diet plans, the effortless weight loss journey, because your subconscious mind is thinking that way. That is the power of subconscious mind, and it all starts with affirmation and the feeling. So you need to catch your inner voice throughout the day, repeating that old belief and replace it with new one, that my metabolic rate is improving day by day. Now let's go to second affirmation. I am losing weight effortlessly. Or you can also say that I'm losing weight effortlessly, my journey is easier, I'm losing weight easily, whatever that suits you. See, you need to feel that. That sentence, that affirmation needs to make you feel good, right? If this happens, what would I feel like? I would feel much happier, right? If my weight loss journey was very easy, if I'm losing weight effortlessly, if I'm losing weight easily, that would be great, right? So you need to choose your sentence. You can modify these affirmations as per your wish, as per what suits you. When you say I am losing weight effortlessly, it quickly indicates that yes, my journey is much happier. So it makes it easier. This affirmation makes it easier to visualize. Again, you need to catch yourself throughout the day whenever you feel the struggle, whenever you get those struggling thoughts that oh, it is very difficult for me to lose weight. Again, you need to catch your mind, catch your inner voice, and replace that old belief with this new one, this new affirmation that I'm now losing weight effortlessly. Even though it is not believable initially, of course it is going to take time, because these affirmations are going to take time to manifest certain things. Many situations, many things are going to change in your life once you start saying these affirmations, once you start replacing the old ones with new ones, right? So initially, even if you don't believe them, it's fine. You just need to catch that and replace them. Third most important affirmation that helped me personally a lot is I no longer get uncontrollable cravings. Cravings was a biggest struggle in my life apart from having slow metabolism, and I constantly had that thought in my mind that I cannot control eating these food. I have to eat this, I have to eat that, and that's why I gain weight and blah blah. You know the cycle if you're also struggling with uncontrollable cravings, right? So that's why this affirmation helped me a lot to get over those cravings. So whenever I used to see a food item, my see, you'll realize that now once you start observing your inner voice, right? Whenever you see that food item, for me it was chocolates and pastries, and my inner thoughts, my inner voice would immediately go, I cannot control eating that. It would automatically think that way, because this identity was stored in my subconscious mind, right? So I had to consciously catch myself. Even when I see chocolate, I have had to consciously catch my inner voice and say that I no longer get uncontrollable cravings. Even though I went ahead and ate that complete chocolate, because you're not going to change in one night, I would still say that it's fine, even if I'm not able to control right now, but I no longer get uncontrollable cravings. I felt like eating it, so I just ate it. That's it. You need to be simultaneously self-forgiving. You need to have patience. That's when these affirmations are going to work, because you cannot expect yourself, you cannot expect because you cannot expect yourself to change overnight. You cannot expect your identity in that is stored in your subconscious mind to change overnight. It is not going to change in one day, 1 or 2 days. It is going to take certain time, not too much, but it is going to take certain time. Till then you need to have patience. Okay, so you need to catch yourself whenever you see yourself executing the behavior of uncontrollable cravings, and then you need to replace that thought with, I no longer get uncontrollable cravings. Trust me guys, this works. Because today, the person you see today in front of you right now creating this video literally doesn't have any uncontrollable cravings. And few years back it was a completely different story. I was frustrated at myself for having those cravings and not being able to maintain weight effortlessly. And once this new affirmation becomes your identity, you will literally see that food item, you will even go ahead and eat it, but you will not feel like finishing it completely. Suppose there is a box of sweets that you were not able to control in the past, and now your identity has become like, I no longer get uncontrollable cravings. It's fine even if I see some sweet. So you'll just go ahead and have 1 or 2 bites or 1 or 2 pieces, and you'll be done, and you'll be surprised at how is this possible. You will literally be surprised. It's all about identity, your identity stored in your subconscious mind, nothing else. There is no magic behind this. This is magic. If you want to see magic, this is magic. Changing your identity is the magic. Now the fourth affirmation also helped me a lot in applying all other affirmations as well, is it is what it is. Yes, as I said before, even when I told myself that I don't have uncontrollable cravings, I started to replace old belief with new one, with new affirmation that I no longer have uncontrollable cravings. I would still sometimes binge it, right? I would not able to control. Then I would tell myself it is what it is. It's fine. I would accept myself. I would accept my behavior, because when you reject your behavior, when you criticize yourself for a particular behavior, it becomes your identity much faster, much in a much stronger way. Your subconscious immediately takes notice, and it quickly changes your identity, because hatred and anger towards your own self is the strongest feeling, and that will manifest that behavior again and again. So if you're eating uncontrollably, if you're binge eating, then you will manifest the same binge eating much faster in future, and multiple times in future, because you are strongly telling yourself, you're resisting, and you're strongly telling yourself that this is who I am, because you're hating yourself for that. So the first thing that you need to do, you need to tell yourself it is what it is. You need to accept whatever that is going on. So for example, if you have been practicing these affirmations for a week, but you're yet to lose some weight or considerable weight, right, and you kind of feel frustrated or impatient, you still need to tell yourself it is what it is. It is going to work for me, right? You need to accept the situations. You need to understand acceptance is the gateway, or I would say door to the new reality. Remember, this is very deep. Once you accept, if you're not able to accept, you will never be able to cross that border. You'll never be able to get to that other side where everything is easy, you're losing weight effortlessly, your journey is happier. So acceptance is the door, and that's why I've added this affirmation, it is what it is. It works it works everywhere. You just need to catch yourself criticizing your own self in your own head, and tell yourself it is what it is. Even if you have to say this sentence 1,000 times in a day. I remember one day I was criticizing myself so much, because I had gained few kgs, and I was not looking good in gym, in those typical normal gym clothes of mine. My belly was sticking out, and I was not feeling good about my body. I had to tell myself hundred, or I don't know how much I don't know how many times I had to tell myself, but yeah, I constantly said this to myself. It is what it is. Accept yourself. Now, the last affirmation that helped me a lot is I love eating healthy food. Society, people have demonized this healthy food so much that whenever we think of losing weight, we think of dieting, and whenever we think of dieting, we are literally scared of the healthy food because we immediately get this thought in our mind that healthy food is tasteless and it is a torture, right? That's why you need to say this affirmation that I love or I enjoy eating healthy food, whatever that suits you, right? And once you start saying this affirmation, then you will literally unlock the healthy recipes that are actually tasty. You won't be eating boiled vegetables or boiled tasteless raw salads. It happened with me. I also started with tasteless food, tasteless healthy food in the name of health, raw salads. But once I started saying this affirmation, I came across the recipes which were actually tasty. They don't make you fat, and I was actually enjoying that healthy food more than the normal food, whatever roti sabzi that we have been eating for all our life, for all our childhood, right? I did not miss them at all because these healthy recipes were much tastier than that other food. So there was no question of missing them, right? So you need to say this affirmation: I enjoy eating healthy food. And if you want to know how healthy food can be tasty, then you can download my free recipe book. I'll put the link below in the description. Now that you have all these affirmations, I'll quickly tell you how to apply them throughout the day. First, you need to note them down. I hope you have noted them down, and you need to read these affirmations, read that document 3 times a day. First thing at the start of your day, before starting your day, before doing any activity, when you're alert in the morning. Second thing, you need to read them at the half day of yours, whatever that is, 12 p.m. or 3 p.m. Then you need to read these affirmations at the end of the day just before going to sleep, right? Then they will get stuck in your subconscious. Your subconscious will start working on them. And of course, just reading them 3 times is not enough. You need to feel them. You need to imagine how it feels if such thing happens. So if the first affirmation is my metabolic rate is improving day by day, you need to visualize, close your eyes for a minute or just feel it, that how would it feel if my metabolic rate was going up day by day, right? I would lose weight effortlessly. Maybe I'll get to wear that little black dress in my closet that's been sitting there for so many years, right? Just add your feeling. First, make it believable. Second, add the feeling. Okay. And next, whenever throughout the day, whenever you catch yourself saying that old negative belief, you need to immediately catch yourself and replace it with this new affirmation. Very important, because see, reading these affirmations is not enough. You need to feel them. Plus, you are not just plus doing this 3 times a day is not enough. Whenever you are saying those negative affirmations throughout the day, you need to replace them again and again. Only then this is going to work. Only then this will give you much faster results, and you'll be mind blown at how fast it works and how good results it gives you. Now you must have realized that this is not like any other affirmation video. I'm not just simply giving you the affirmations. You actually now know how to apply them. So don't worry, even if some days you just feel like you are just reading them, you're not really feeling them, it's fine. Because every day once you read these affirmations, it is planting the seed. The tree is growing, it is getting manifested in your life. You just need to be patient. You're not faking it, you're not delusional. See, you can be a bit delusional. You have to be a bit delusional if you want to manifest a different reality, and that's fine. You just need to be patient and keep at it, keep working on it. You're not faking it, you're just working on yourself. You may find yourself behaving differently than other people, and that's fine, because you are now upgrading yourself. You're manifesting a different reality for yourself. So don't worry, and just keep taking the actions whatever that I've told you, and see the magic unfolding. And if you're ready to take this even deeper, if you're ready to transform your life, you can join my course anytime. I'll put the link in the description. You can also join my free consultation, 30-minute free consultation. I'll put the link in description for that as well.